Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enter bank charges with GST in Tally Prime. Regarding this today we will discuss. Friends, nowadays bank charges comes under service category. All service charges comes under GST. But in Tally, there is no option to show separate CGST and SGST in bank ledger account. In bank, they will show bank charges amount including CGST and SGST. Okay friends, I have already created one company. Now we will move to create a ledger account. So go through the assignment. So there are two assignments. Mr. Kumar issued State Bank of India check for demand draft rupees 1,50,000. He issued a check for 1 lakh rupees, 1,50,000 rupees, 1,50,000 for DD. So entry is demand draft account data 1,50,000 to State Bank of India 1,50,000. So create these two ledger. Gateway of Tally, select create, select ledger. Press enter. Demand draft. Demand draft. This is used to make some expenses from Kumar. So that's why he issued a check for DD. So that's why it is showing in indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. So next, State Bank of India. That is Kumar's bank, State Bank of India, under bank account. IFS code SBIN 000 6498. Accept. In second transaction, bank has charged rupees 300 as bank charges at 18% GST. Bank charges account data 300, CGST at 9% account data 27, SGST at 9% account data 27, to State Bank of India 354. Okay. So this is the bank charges amount. So create bank charges. Bank charges under indirect expenses. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST detail? Yes. Nature of transaction, select purchase taxable in the list of nature of transaction. Integrated tax 18%. Type of supply services, accept. So next, CGST at 9%. These are tax ledgers. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST, tax type central tax. So next, SGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, type of duties / tax, select GST, tax type, select state tax, accept. And create one more supporting ledger, that is Kumar's capital. Kumar's capital. Pass one receipt entry because of avoiding negative balance in bank ledger. Capital account, accept. And pass one receipt entry. Go to accounting voucher, vouchers. Press F6, pass one receipt transaction. This is supporting transaction. Select Kumar's capital, 2 lakh, State Bank of India. Now bank balance showing 2 lakh rupees. Otherwise it is showing negative balances after entering the bank charges entry. Accept. So now come to the point. Mr. Kumar issued State Bank of India check for demand draft. in payment voucher, demand draft account data are to State Bank of India 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Go to payment voucher, select demand draft 1,50,000 rupees, 1,50,000. Credit to State Bank of India. So type check number. So next, second entry, this is our topic entry. So bank has charged rupees 300 as bank charges at 18% GST. Payment voucher, same voucher, select bank charges 300, press D for getting one more debit entry, CGST. So how much CGST? Control N, 300 into 18 divided by 100, that is 54 rupees, divided by 2, 27 rupees. So type 27, press one more D, SGST, 27 rupees. State Bank of India. Accept. So now check the impact of bank ledger. Go to the gateway of Tally, display accounts book ledger, select State Bank of India. See here, he issued a check for demand draft rupees 1,50,000. So bank charges including GST 354 rupees. 2 lakh minus 1,50,000, 354. The difference is 49,646. Okay. So this is the impact of GST in bank ledger. Okay. So check it in GST report. GSTR2. See here, in GSTR2 also it is impact 54 rupees GST amount. Okay friends, you got it. How to enter bank charges with GST. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.